Today I'm going to teach you how to annotate on Zoom. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to mark up shared content during presentations, highlight important points in documents, or collaborate visually with your team in real time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has permission to share screens and annotate, as some organizational settings may restrict these features. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoom homepage where you can start or join meetings. Next, go ahead and join a meeting. This could be a meeting you've scheduled or one you're joining via a link or meeting ID. Once you're in the meeting room, you'll need to initiate screen sharing to start annotating. Look at the bottom toolbar of your Zoom window and locate the Share button. Click on it and you'll see a window pop up displaying all the screens and applications you can share with other participants. Select the screen or specific application window you want to share. Before you proceed, take a look at the right panel where you'll find additional sharing options. Here you can check the box beside Share Sound if you need to share audio from your computer, or toggle Optimize for video sharing if you're planning to share video content. These options ensure that your shared content comes through clearly for all participants. Once you've made your selections, click the Share button at the bottom of that window. Your selected screen will now be visible to everyone in the meeting, and you'll notice your toolbar has changed slightly. Now, here's where the annotation feature comes in. Look at the top toolbar of your Zoom window and click on the Annotate button. This will open up a whole set of annotation tools that allow you to interact with the shared content. You can now draw shapes, write text, highlight specific areas, or use arrows to point out important details on the shared screen. These annotations appear in real time for all participants, making it perfect for collaborative discussions or detailed explanations. When you're finished presenting and no longer need to share your screen, simply click the Stop Share button located in the top toolbar. This will end the screen sharing session and remove your annotations, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to annotate during Zoom meetings, giving you a powerful tool for more engaging and interactive presentations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.